Are you looking for a ClickFunnels alternative? Well, this funnel right here is called SwapFunnels, and it is just about the same identical as ClickFunnels, and it gets even better. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So right here, I am on ClickFunnels. Oh, right here I'm on SwapFunnels. I'm sorry. Right here I'm on ClickFunnels, and as you can see, we have a little lead page right here. And the same thing on SwapFunnels, we have a little lead page. Now, of course, on ClickFunnels, so I want to build a funnel right here. Right here, we have all of these different kind of funnels: auto webinar, application funnel, all these funnels. Now, the same thing on SwapFunnels. Look at all of these funnels right here. Right? How crazy is this? Now, the only difference between SwapFunnels and ClickFunnels funnels is that SwapFunnels has absolutely high quality funnels. How high quality are you talking? I'm talking about proven funnels that's already working. For instance, let's just take this webinar funnel right here. We're going to press use this layout. Let's go to ClickFunnels, and let me see, we're going to choose webinar funnel. Now, if we go on here and let's just say we wanted to use one of these funnels right here, it says free. We can go ahead and get funnel. Okay, great. So now we have a funnel, a webinar funnel from ClickFunnels, okay, which looks absolutely fine, by the way. I don't see anything wrong with this. It's a little short. It could be a little bit longer for information, but I think this is cool. And then we have SwapFunnels right here. Now check this out. You can see everything here at the top. You have the time, you have all this information, secret 1, secret 2, secret 3. Same thing like ClickFunnels right over here. And you know, this is exactly how it looks. Now, what is this webinar funnel based off of? And I'm about to show you guys right now where I got this webinar funnel from. And then once you see where I got it from, you're gonna say, oh my gosh, that's exactly what I want. Now, I got this webinar funnel from Mr. Russell Brunson himself. Now, if you check out his webinar funnel, you can see the layout is very, very similar. Now, when I created these funnels, I wanted to create these funnels based off of real proven success, right? Proven people that actually are using it, so we know it works. When you have a funnel from ClickFunnels like this, we don't know if this is going to work, right? We don't see anybody using it. You have no idea. You have to figure it out, add it on your own to go ahead and try to find another funnel that's like this to make sure it does work and figure it out on your own and whatnot. Over here on SwapFunnels, you know this works because the man himself is using it. Now, just take a look at what I'm talking about here. 270,096 minutes with a timer in between. Right? Over 5,000, timer in between 84 minutes. As we go down, it says presenting your host, presenting your host. You got the 3 secrets right here, 3 secrets right here. You have an image here, and then you have a little quote thing right here. You have an image here, you have a little quote thing right here. You telling me this funnel is not going to work? It's being used. Now, the only difference is Russell right here has a survey on the top. You can see above this gray line right here. And as we zoom in a little bit more, same thing with SwapFunnels. Now, we zoom in right here, you can see that we have our email submission form right here. But of course, at any moment in time, we can go ahead and drop a survey on there if we wanted to. But I just wanted to show you guys how this is a crazy ClickFunnels alternative based on proven funnels that already work. Right now, that's just one funnel. Can you imagine how many other funnels that's already in SwapFunnels that you can go ahead and start applying? Besides the fact that you can turn your website into whatever website you want to, you can also add funnels as well on top of that. You can see me and my daughter right there. And as I go to the funnels over here, you can see that all of these funnels are already set up to go. Now, here's another funnel I want you guys to check out right here. We're going to go ahead and press use this layout. And this is where I got this from. I'm going to go ahead and zoom out a little bit so you guys can see the overarching image. And right here, I'm going to zoom out a little bit so you guys can see the overarching image, the bird's eye view. Now, check this out, guys. This is SwapFunnels. This is the funnels you're going to get, right? And this is ClickFunnels. This is the actual funnel Russell Brunson himself is using. All right, here we go. We have a product launch funnel, and let's just choose the first one I see. This is this blue one right here. Let's just see how similar this is to SwapFunnels and to Russell Brunson's funnel himself that he uses. And let's just see what you get for $97 and how close it is to winning, right? All right, so this is ClickFunnels. We can see we have the 4 videos right here. That looks fine. We have the heading right here. We have the video. Go to next video. You have the image of what you have, and you can put whatever you want right here. Now this is totally fine. I don't see anything wrong with this right here. Let's zoom out a little bit. Yeah, I don't see anything wrong with this. This looks good to me. You just got to do a little bit more editing. You have to add what you want to add over here, which, I mean, you know, it doesn't get any easier than that. It's already done. I'm not going to bash ClickFunnels for something that looks already good to go. Now over here on SwapFunnels, it's the same exact thing. As you can see, you have the image right here. Images, the 4 images at the top, same thing right here. You have the video, you have the headline. Same thing over here. You have watch next video right here, same thing here. And then you have another call to action button there. You don't have that here. And you have the image here. You have an image here. You have some copy, Russell Brunson. So it's just about the same as Russell Brunson's. That's what you get. So far, that looks pretty good. Now, let's just go ahead and put it on mobile. Let's see how it looks. So we have the 4 of these. And so we have the one right here at the top. And then you have this next video. You have the image right here. So it'll be the same thing with SwapFunnels. So we go over here to the image, to the mobile phone, and you can actually see all 4, and they'll just be grayed out. And you have the video, you have the button, you have the image. It's just about the same thing, right? So, I mean, if you guys are looking for like alternative funnels, what better place to get it from than a SwapFunnels? You can go over here, we can go press funnels, and look at all these different kind of funnels you guys can get right here. What about even e-com funnels? Check this out. I think it's the $197 package. That's the only time you'll be able to get funnels like these, right? What she calls shop funnels, or store funnels. He calls them store funnels, store funnels. And right here on SwapFunnels, we call them shop funnels, right? But primarily it does the same exact thing. You can sell a product right here through the checkout, and or right through the first page, which would be the checkout. And then right here it says, wait a minute, your order's not finished, and then it takes you 2, 3, 4 pages, upsells, downsells, whatever you guys want to do. Now, what the first page would look like is something like this. Let's go back to funnels. Now you guys won't see this because all of these is just like, well, depending on what kind of plan you get, they're automatically going to be on your website. So we would go to, let me see, we have another product page right here. So we have the checkout page, so over here. So what we do is press use this layout. Now, mind you, you guys are already going to have this inside of your website. All you would have to do is press edit, and page is already done. So right here, as you can see, we have our checkout page. Our product would go right here. We have a gallery for our product. We have some demo images right here, as you can see, but you'll be able to flip through them just like that. So at any point in time, you guys can just press this module and look at all of these different kind of choices that you have, right? That you guys can go ahead and choose whatever you want. Look at this. You have all of these different kind of options you can go ahead and add onto there if you wanted to. And you guys can ultimately make this page however you want to make it, and it ain't gonna cost you an arm and a leg, right? I mean, it's, you know, depending on what kind of package you get, this is going to be inside the pro package or like the legendary package. You won't find this inside the basic package, but it's here, right? It's here, and it'll be inside of your funnels, and you can go ahead and use it and start swapping it out and do whatever you guys want to do, okay? And I mean, is this not the ultimate? Is this not the ultimate ClickFunnels alternative? I mean, wow, it doesn't get any better than this. Let's try a different one, right? All right, let's try a bridge funnel. Just go ahead and use this funnel right here. Let's see how this works. And boom, look at that. So you got to put your logo, your attention getting headline, your image. We have some copy here, the benefits here. This is the image of what they're going to receive. Might be your bonus. Click here to get your thing here, which would probably be like the affiliate page, whatever. Tell us, email us the receipt here, and check your email for all your cool bonuses after you do a screenshot, whatever the case may be. But this is a bridge page. There it is, regular bridge page right here. I mean, then you can just throw a squeeze page right on top of this. So let's go up, let's find one. We can go ahead and we can add something like this, and just look at all of these different kind of funnels. Look how they are already finished. They're set, they're ready to go. No fluff, right? And we can press mobile and all of them are automatically ready for mobile. Look at that. You don't have to do anything. You just change out your image. Let me show you how simple it is. Let me go to image. Boom. Uploaded an image just like that. Change the headline. Go to the button. Link the button. No kind of confusing links. No click to action. No website this. Just put the link in. Put the link in, and that's where it's going to take them. All right. Very simple. Okay. All right. You put the link in there. You put the link in the bottom, and you're done. Right? Change the heading, change the copy, put some benefits, you're done. You're done. This right here should take you 20 minutes if you don't have your stuff already. If you don't have it all written down on a notepad and whatnot, as far as the benefits are. But even if you don't have any benefits, just ask AI right here. Press AI. Right with AI. You don't got to go back and forth with ChatGPT. You can ask AI right here, and the AI will hook it up for you. Right? And you can tell AI exactly what you want, however long you want, lengthen it, shorten it, translate it, anything you want is already done right here. Even when it comes down to your image, let's just say you have a boring image. We can go ahead and we can modify your image, change it however you want to change it to, and hook you up. Let's say we don't want this lady with this kind of crazy hat. Let's say we can give her a baseball cap. Look at that, guys. We just hook homegirl up with a baseball cap. And it looks pretty good too. Well, there's only one way to tell, and that's by using the image. So let's go ahead and press use this image. And there we go. We gave homegirl from that straw hat into a baseball cap. What do you guys think about that? That's the power of SwapFunnels. Not only for your copy, but for your images as well. Anything you can think of, you can do inside of your funnels because the funnels is already done. All you have to do is swap out the images and text. It doesn't get any easier than that. This is the closest ClickFunnels alternative you're possibly going to get. If you don't get this, you're going to be building funnels, and that's not what we signed up for. We didn't sign up to build funnels. We signed up to sell stuff, to be of service to other people, to help people out, right? We didn't sign up to build funnels. Nobody wants to build funnels. But what if they were already done for you? What if all you had to do was just swap out images and text? Wouldn't that be helpful? Great. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and click the link down below. Go ahead and try SwapFunnels for yourself. And so thank you guys so much for watching. If you appreciate this video, go ahead and click the like button. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and I will see you guys in the very next video.